I finally found a work light that stays where you put it. Hey YouTube, I just got myself a new work light that works on the 12 volt cigarette lighter, your car, your boat. So let's go straight to this. Comes with instruction. Okay, so nice little ram mount. There's a magnet at the bottom and looks like there's rubber around it, so if you want to put the magnet on your car, your truck, it won't scratch the surface, so that's very good. The ball mount is a great addition. So there's 4 each, so 4x4, it's 16 LEDs. If we look at the back, big heatsink. Yeah, that looks good. It is supposed to be IP67, so it's good in the rain, dust. The plug, 12 volt cigarette lighter. Info. So 50,000 hour lifespan, gives about 1,600 lumens, 60,000 K white, and it's 40 watt, so 16 piece at 2.5 watts. Yeah, IP67 waterproof, big heatsink. The ram mount is pretty cool. 16.5 feet if you stretch it to the max. So if you're an outdoorsman, I'm pretty sure this little light can help you having fun outdoor. Okay, so just to show you how bright that small work light is, that's how bright it is. It is really powerful. Okay. Okay, making another test here. This is the mess in my garage. So this is plenty enough to work on the car, on the boat, maybe whatever, where you have a 12-volt outlet. This is going to be perfect for a truck. I've made a couple of videos maintaining my Chevy Silverado, and this work lamp would have been awesome, but didn't have it. The magnet on this is super strong, so could have used it everywhere under the truck and have very good lighting. So as far as I'm concerned, that's the best bang for your buck for a working light. Okay, so just to show you how strong the magnetic base is on that work light, this cast iron plate here is about 8 pounds. You see all the cans here? It's about 18 pounds. So an average of 25 pounds, and I'm going to try to lift it up. Okay, watch this. Weight distribution. As you can see, 25 pounds. I can lift this. Believe me, it's heavy. So I'm pretty sure I can put that work lamp on my truck going on the highway, and I'm pretty sure it will stay right there. No problem with that. You can adjust it however you want. So, if you like what you saw, just give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down there below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.